Hello everyone, my name is Taylor. I'm another one-year product specialist here at Hacienda Ford, and today we're going to be going over a brand new black 2020 F-150. Take a look. This 4x4 F-150 has all your standard F-150 features, like your halogen headlamps, daytime running light, trailer sway control, and rear privacy glass. What makes this vehicle extra special is that it's part of your XLT Black Appearance package, which you can see with the front grille. Now when we move around to the side here, you can see the front coil over shocks that brings this to a nice 2.5-inch lift. You can see the BFG tires and the addictive designed rims. Moving along, you'll see the HFX decals because inside we have the HFX subwoofer that is really going to make a difference when you're listening to music. On the back wheels, you will also see the Fox over shocks as well. Back here, you have the trailer tow package with your Pro Trailer Backup Assist. Now let's take a look inside. Inside, we upgraded your ride with custom leather and tint. You have your touchscreen navigation, heated seats, cruise control with steering wheel controls. You have the middle console compartment, then on your rear window, you also have a defroster. As y'all can see, this vehicle does have a lot of upgraded features, and if you want some more information, shoot us a message on Facebook and we'll see you for more next week.